Hi guys, so we're about to make some jollof pasta with leftover stew. Are you ready? Let's do this. In a microwave safe bowl, pour your penne pasta. Add some water. Sprinkle some salt. Some vegetable oil. We'll cover this up and cook in our LG Neochef Microwave. Our pasta is ready. Now we are going to add some leftover stew, some mixed bell peppers, some smoked catfish. Cover this and cook. Guys, I'd like you all to join the LG Insiders community for a chance to review the LG Neochef Microwave and get to be picked for a future online content creators challenge. Link in bio.